Now, I request our principal ma'am to address the gathering.
Good morning. So respected chief guests of today's function and overall Formula Quest coordinator, HODs, staff, teaching and non-teaching, and my dear sweet, bright, beautiful, smart, handsome students, very, very good morning to you all. And it's a very happy moment. Every year we assemble here to have a technical students level symposium, and for the past 2 years we have an inclusion of this type of internal paper presentation. Actually, the technical symposium has an intention of having technical more discussions, and wherein students will be busy organizing the event when we have the other college students participating. So we would also like to encourage our students and see their skills. That is the reason this particular internal paper presentation competition was initiated 2 years back, and it is going too well, where we can see the expertise of our students. Because when you go and participate in other colleges, we may not be able to witness your how good you are, or how good you are in your presentation skills, or how good you are presenting the paper, what sort of problem you have taken to discuss. So these are all the things which we see. We feel so happy that yes, our students are no less, and they are competing with each and everyone outside. And also we have the opportunity of correcting you and giving you a lot of tips for your improvement. That is the reason we have this internal paper presentation. So here, as an engineer, I don't know how many of you would have joined in engineering really knowing the career of engineering or career in engineering, or as an engineer how you are going to be in the society. So everyone will be having some sort of visualization, like based on your branches. You may have some dreams like, yes, I'm going to work with some machines, I'm going to work with some computers, I'm going to work with designing, or I'm going to work with some calculators, or whatever it is. Depending upon your branch, you may have some visualization. But how many of you think that yes, you're all engineers who are all here to give solutions for the problems in the society? So this is the thing which I want my students to imbibe when you're doing an engineering. It is not the job alone, what is expected by the company that you're going there, but whatever job you do, if you're taking some financial decision making, or you're doing some mathematical calculations as an engineer, beyond that, what is the ethical value you're going to carry, and what is the ethical judgment you're going to do in your work, and beyond strengthening your company, how much you're going to think about the environment, how much you're going to think about the society who has given you this opportunity. So we engineers are not only to work with machines or to do some calculations, but we have, beyond that, we have some responsibility to take up the problems in the society and give solutions. So this is what is the ultimate aim of SMK Formula, bringing up children not only with marks, taking a certificate, going for an interview, getting a job. We are thinking beyond that. We wanted you to understand why you are doing this engineering or this study. And when you study each and every concept, you might be noticing that we explain you in a different way. Like we do an analogy presentation where you understand the real meaning of every concept. The reason behind it is I want you to think of the application part when you understand a concept. So this is possible only if you have awareness about the societal needs, what the society need from you. As and when the facility increases, the population increases, the educational level increases, problems also parallelly increase. So we engineers have to find solutions for each and everything. Facility, if you go for a facility, there will be parallelly coming, there will be some interruption coming along with that. And you need to design things in such a way like we minimize the problems and improve the productivity. So this should be kept in mind as students itself, not after going to the company, after taking up an assignment. Because the societal feel, the ethical value, whatever you carry as an engineer, as a human being, should be there right from within, from the beginning. So So this platform will help you to discuss about so many social problems prevailing, and especially I'm talking about environment because the life is dependent on the environment. So the civil engineer's job and responsibility is much more here, where you need to think of protecting our environment, and the electrical engineers have to think about the energy conservation and how to save energy and how to reuse renewable energy resources. All those knowledge has to be kept in your mind, and you have to implement it in your future as an engineer. So I would like to feel proud if my student is going to succeed in life as a good engineer with good ethical values, and keeping in mind that society is benefited out of you and the family is happy with you, and the college will feel proud to have a wonderful citizen for this country. So may God bless you all the very best. Thank you once again.
Thank you, ma'am, for your wonderful words.